Hello, so I'm going to show you how you can combine courses together on It's Learning, and there are going to be some adjustments to this, so this might look a little bit different over time, and I'll communicate that to you. But whenever you want to combine courses, the best way to make sure that you're doing it correctly is if the courses are in the same building, it's a lot easier. You can combine courses in different buildings, but that's a totally different method of doing it. But if I was combining courses within the same building, I'm going to go over to Developer, across my admin panel. Actually, scratch that. Apps and Tools. It used to be under Developer. So under Apps and Tools, it'll load, and there is going to be a different merge maintenance tool for course merges, so combining them together, but it hasn't quite been up and running yet. So the one to use right now is Course Merge Maintenance. And the best way to go about this is to find the specific building that your courses are listed under. So for your case, you mentioned that they were listed under Northside. So I'm going to do that, get courses for school, and I'm going to find the two courses that I would like to merge. So in this case, I believe it is Math 7. Takes a little bit here. So I'll pick that. And then in addition to that, see if we can find, sometimes it doesn't work if you search by teacher name, but we're going to give it a try. And of course, teacher name isn't showing up, so we're not going to use that one. Pre-Algebra 8. And here we go. There's that class. So I'll pick that one too. And it's going to show me that these are the two courses that I'm going to be combining. So the Math 7 is going to be the primary course. So that's going to be the one that it's titled under the courses drop-down menu. So whenever your students sign in, they're not going to see both these classes listed. They'll see one. So whenever you add resources, make sure you're clicking on the Math 7. Now these course merges happen overnight. So you won't see the change immediately, but you should see it tomorrow. And it will tell you that it merges it successfully. So whenever I'm good to go and I pick the right courses, I'm going to do Save Merge. It's going to ask me if I really do want to combine these. I'm going to click OK. And now whatever resources I put in either one of those classes, they are going to be combined together when that merge happens overnight. So again, you won't see it right away, but you will the next day. And if you have any questions or issues with that, please